Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Hari ini kita akan belajar topik mengenai risk and return. Okey, seperti yang kita belajar our last meeting mengenai risk and return. Jadi saya tak akan go through every slides here. Okey, but the main thing is this one. Kalau kita punya prinsip is risk aversion. Okey, untuk dua aset yang mempunyai pulangan yang sama, kita akan pilih risiko yang lebih rendah. Logik di situ adalah rendah. Risiko adalah menjadi preference. Jadi kita kena study macam mana nak kira risiko, how to calculate, how to quantify risk. So, ataupun in order, we can choose which asset or portfolio is better for us to choose. Okay. Kita tengok lagi apa yang ada berkenaan di sini. Risiko, definition of risk, kita dah study. Okay, this is Markowitz. Okay. Kita nak measure risk, of course we always look at this variance or standard deviation. So these are two variables ataupun a method to calculate risk. Kita punya kaedah macam mana kita nak kira risiko. Okay, advantage dan disadvantage anda boleh baca sendiri. Kita tengok sebagai contoh satu soalan di sini. Okey, di sini ada, saya besarkan, ada satu table exhibit 7.1. Macam mana nak mengira expected return untuk satu aset. Katakan aset ini dia selama 4 hari. Kita tengok sini ada 1, 2, 3, 4 hari ke, 4 bulan ke, 4 tahun. Okey, dia ada sum of probability this one. Usually we sum out everything here, we should get 1.0 lah. So everything is 100% ataupun 1.00 in decimal. Okay, this probability 0.35 ataupun 35% probability of 8% return will occur in the future is 35%. Okay, so means that 0.35 or 35% times 8%, our expected return will be 0.028 or 2.8%. So kebarangkalian hasil pulangan sebanyak 8% adalah 35% akan keluar, which is kita punya jangkaan pulangan adalah 2.8%. So kalau aset ni selama 4 tahun atau 4 hari ataupun 4 bulan ataupun 4 jam, kita akan campur semua sekali yang di sini dan kita dapat jumlah expected return ataupun expected return for a given period. Okay, kita keluar balik semula. Kita akan tengok apa lagi yang ada, contoh. Okay, this one is portfolio. Kita ada kira weight ataupun dia punya pemberat. Kita akan go that later. Okay, this one dia punya example. Okay, ni adalah dia punya pemberat. Pemberat adalah total capacity seseorang pelabur. Okay, dia ada 1 juta. Jadi dia nak distribute 1 million for a different kind of asset atau different type of assets. So the distribution is maybe this like this 20%, 30%, 30%, and 20%. So the expected return kita dah calculate like that tadi dan kita just times. So 20% of weight time expected return, then we should get expected of portfolio of total asset, maybe asset A, B, C, D. We total up, is sum out of all these expected return of portfolio, weight times expected return, then we get the expected return of portfolio, which is 11.5%. Okay, itu adalah second calculation. Okay, kita nak go through how to calculate a variance and standard deviation. Okay, here I show you what is the formula. Okay, this is the formula of variance, and standard deviation simply the square root of this variance lah. Kalau kita tengok symbol this one, just a square root. Okay, saya ada sedikit buat calculation ataupun contoh soalan di dalam bentuk word. Okay, apa kata kita besarkan sedikit. Okay, katakan this one, risk and return. Given the financial data of 2 companies. Okay, 2 companies. So dia punya requirement ataupun dia punya soalan adalah calculate expected value. Okay, nampak ni expected value, variance, standard deviation, and covariance, and correlation coefficient. So we have to learn 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 item today in related to the risk calculation. Okay, for example, this question I take somewhere. So this is two asset return for company Setan dan Iblis. Iblis. Okay, so Setan and Iblis. This is the month of the return they are expected to get. This is the probability. Usually, if we sum out this probability, we get 1.00 or 100%. This is the return. Okay, kalau we change into percentage, it's like this lah. In percentage, I forget to put the percentage symbol. This one is percentage too. So kalau kita tukar decimal, of course lah 0.60 negative 0.05 0.2. Okay, you all know how to convert into decimal. So this is in the percentage. So when it will be easier if you convert into decimal. Okay, alright. Okay, so we must calculate expected value, variance, standard deviation, covariance, and correlation coefficient. And plus, we should know what is the value or how to interpret all these items. Okay, number one, we must calculate expected value. So expected value simply defined as jangkaan pulangan. So if you are the owner of the asset Setan, okay, you are the owner of Setan, you must expect what are the return for the given period. Okay, January to May. So these are the return of Setan. So 5-month period. So what are the expected return? This is the return, and this is we must calculate expected return. Okay, so expected return adalah kita kena kira expected value, or we call EV, or summation of probability times of all individual value of this one or this one. Okay, for Setan return, expected value or expected return. Okay, kita tengok for this one, expected value or expected return of Setan, or I change it to symbol S. Okay, it's simply the probability this one times this one individually. So means that 0.1 times negative 0.70, like this. 0.10 times negative 0.6, so 60%. So convert to decimal. So plus, so the rest, so 0.2 times 0.05, 0.4, 0.2, 0.2 times 0.35, 0.1 times 1. Then you should sum up everything. So if my calculator is not wrong, so I should get 0.2 or 20% expected value for Setan assets return. So we look at the second asset, which is Iblis. Okay, Iblis, we have the same probability but slightly different return. So same goes to calculate the expected value. We just times 0.1 with 0.1 negative, and the rest like this, 0.4 times 0.2. And if I put into linear equation, you can get this. So 0.1 times 0.1 negative, 0.2 times 0.1, and so on, you get 20% too. So the return shows expected value or expected return for Setan, and expected value for Iblis is same, 20% expected return. So if investor look at expected value as an indicator, so they can simply choose either one because the return is similar. Okay, that one is just expected value. So we done calculate expected value. So means that this one is 20%, this one is also, I bold that 20%. This one also 20%. Similar, expected return atau jangkaan pulangan yang sama 20%. But then the return is not an issue because it's equal ataupun similar. So we must look at the risk. So the first indicator to measure risk is variance. So what is variance? Variance is summation of probability times value minus expected value. So value is the value given in the question ataupun dalam table. This one is value for isetan. This one is value for iblis. Okay. Then expected value we have calculated before, which is 0.2 or 20% for isetan, and similarly to iblis is 20%. So you simply calculate the probability value minus expected value square and every other value also in the same arrangement. Okay, for example, you take the variance of isetan. Okay, variance isetan is the probability 0.1. This one 0.1, P1, probability 1. So this one is 0.60 or 60%. Okay, can you see this one? 60%. Okay, minus 20%, which is the expected value on the question 1, this one, 20%. And we just simply power 2. Okay, and repeat the calculation for every value and probability given for isetan. So the variance for isetan is 1370. We do similarly in the equation for variance for iblis is 220. So by the variance indicator, okay, I pull this one, it shows that variance of isetan is 1370 and variance of iblis is 220. Okay, if we put into the table, I just drag down this table now. Okay, like that. So you can see. Okay. So the variance for isetan is 1370 and the variance of E is 220. Okay. So variance is actually a measure the variability of the data series. So the variability dia punya changes, ada kepelbagaian dia, variability okay, of data series. So return dia ada from negative to positive, negative 60, 5, 20, 35%, 100%, negative 10% until 50%. That is variability. So the variance. So variance also defined as weighted average of squared deviation of possible outcome around the expected value. This one is longer definition. Okay, that one is variance. Okay, the variance symbol I don't put there because I don't know how to put the symbol. And next we go to standard deviation. Standard deviation simply the square root of variance. So we take the square root of variance is for isetan is 1370. Square root you get 37.01%. And standard deviation for iblis is 14.83%. Okay. For the standard deviation also shows which one is higher. Of course, the isetan 37.01%, and IE base is only 14%, much less than isetan. So shows because standard deviation and variance are indicator of a risk, so the lower is better. The lower risk is better. So this one shows that standard deviation of B 14.83 is better for as compared to standard deviation of I Satan. Okay, let's go to the table I made just now. Okay, this is the original table. This is the variance. So from the variance also is indicating the standard deviation values. So the higher the variance should also shows this the higher the value of standard deviation as compared to the other assets. So variance of isetan, this one, and standard deviation of isetan is higher than variance of I iblis and standard deviation of I iblis. Okay, how we conclude this? Okay, even both assets show the same expected return, the variance and standard deviation are different. Okay, ulangan jangkaan. Kalau kita kembali kepada soalan yang pertama, 20%, 20% for I Satan and I Iblis expected value is same and similar. So we should look at the risk. Where is the risk? Risk could be measured by variance and standard deviation. So lower variance and standard deviation means lower risk. So lower means better. Okay, and asset with higher standard deviation indicates greater duration of return. Those greater chances expected return will not be realized. Asset dengan standard deviation yang lebih tinggi menunjukkan kepelbagaian pulangan, terlalu banyak kepelbagaian, terlalu banyak kemungkinan, jadi lagi besar kemungkinan pulangan tidak dapat dihasilkan. Okay, itu pentingnya standard deviation dengan variance. Okay, so jika anda tengok di sini, manakah aset yang anda akan pilih? I iblis ataupun I setan? Okay, it means that the lower the better. So di sini lower is I iblis, iaitu variance dia 220 and the standard deviation is 14.80%, means it's lower than I Satan. So if you are rational ataupun berfikiran waras, you should choose a lower standard deviation, aka lower variance for investment on these assets. Okay, simple as that. So let's go tengok ada apa lagi yang dia bagi. Oh, di sini ada contoh di dalam table. Dalam table ni dia dah bagi very specific. So let's say this one is asset I, this one is asset this one is asset I. So only one asset. Okay. So this one example asset I. So this one is dia punya possibility. This is probability. Okay. Then this is the expected return. We calculate and the question number 1. So this one, if dia punya variance, you can see this one. We substitute the figure as power by 2. This is the variance of every every single returns. So this is the variance, and the variance time probability, we can sum out everything, become a variance in total for this asset for the given of time. Maybe this time month 1, month 2, month 3, and month 4, or day, or hour, or whatsoever. And the standard deviation simply is square root of this 0.00451 here being square root, and you can get 2.1%. So the risk is 2.1%. Okay, so it shows a very low. Standard deviation means that lower risk. Okay. Okay, let's go for our next subtopic, which is covariance of return. So apa itu covariance of return? A measure of degree which two variables move together. Darjah pergerakan dua aset ataupun dua variable, dua return bergerak sekali. Okey. Okay, contohnya aset I dengan aset J. So this is the punya formula. Okay, as simply as expected value of I darab expected value of J. Okay, kita tengok contoh saham Wisaya 5000 dengan Lehman Brothers Treasury Bond Index. Okay, this one we have table. Okay, this is the list from January to December, dia punya rate of return. But kita nak kira covariance kan. So covariance is kita kena kira individual punya expected return. So this is the original return from January sampailah December untuk Wisaya dengan Lehman. Dan kita kira dia punya expected value. Here is the expected value. Okay. Dan this one pun expected value for Lehman. This one expected value for Wisaya. So dah kira expected value. Macam tadi yang kita kira di dalam kita punya contoh di sini this one kan, dah ada kan expected value, kita dah kira sama juga dalam slide ni. Okay, saya besarkan. Dia dah kira expected value individually dan simply times the expected value of asset 1 times and expected value of asset 2. So expected value or expected return from asset A times asset B, then we total up, sum here is this is the covariance of return. Okay. Okay. Let's go for our own example here for covariance. Alright. This is the covariance formula that we see in the Okay, covariance of returns. How we measure the movement together of two assets together. Alright, just back to our Microsoft Word. Okay, covariance is a measure of joint variability. Joint, bersama, kepelbagaian bersama bergerak atas dua return ataupun dua variable. So in our case, it's two asset, asset A and asset B. So in this question, asset is I Setan and I Iblis. Okay, we just calculate expected value of I Setan and expected value I Iblis. We have calculated earlier. And the first question is this one. This one. So our covariance of I Setan and I Iblis covariance must have 2 because it's covariance. This means that 4%. So what does it mean? If the greater value of one variable mainly correspond with greater value of other variable. Satu variable dia semakin besar, hasil daripada nilai satu aset lagi satu yang lebih besar, dan kedua-duanya mendapat hasil yang lebih rendah, the covariance adalah positif. Vice versa, ataupun opposite case, lagi besar nilai satu variable ataupun satu return atau aset tersebut, hasil daripada tindak balas pada pengurangan nilai satu aset yang lagi satu, covariance itu adalah negatif. Okey. Dan sekarang kita nak tengok kepada kita punya subtopik yang terakhir untuk hari ini adalah correlation coefficient. Okay, correlation coefficient. Okay, what is coefficient? Coefficient adalah perkali kan. So perkali ni apakah figures dia yang darab dengan dia punya algebra ataupun dia punya variable. So this one kita nak tahu dia punya correlation. Berapakah figure dia? Okay, this is the formula of correlation coefficient. Tadi kita dah kira covariance untuk aset isetan dan I iblis. Okay, di sini adalah standard deviation untuk isetan dan this one adalah standard deviation untuk I iblis. So covariance kedua-dua aset tadi bahagi standard deviation kedua-dua aset tadi berdarab antara satu sama lain. Dan kita akan dapat correlation coefficient. Okay, for example, kita tengok di sini. So covariance kita dah kira just now, kita baru saja kira, which is 0.04. Kita yang aset isetan dengan I iblis sama 20%, 20% expected value. Dapat covariance dia sebanyak 0.04. Dan kita ada standard deviation untuk isetan 37.01% dan standard deviation untuk I iblis adalah 14.83%. So we can get the correlation coefficient is 0.7. 0.7 in positive term. Okay. So if, okay, back to the slide. Sorry. Okay. What does it mean? Kita punya correlation tadi 0.7. The coefficient can vary from positive 1 to negative 1. So could be also 0. A value of positive 1 means that perfect positive correlation, bergerak betul-betul bersama. But the value of negative 1 indicate perfectly negative correlation. Satu pergi ke atas, satu pergi ke bawah. Satu pergi kiri, satu pergi ke kanan. Perfectly negative. Usually the figure could be in very negative or positive or also a 0. So what is the range? You don't have here. Okay, we don't have. So back to our Microsoft Word. So positive example 0.7234. Okay, 0.734. So means that both variable move together in positive direction. Okay, maksudnya isetan dan I iblis bergerak dalam posisi positif ataupun arah positif bersama. Okay, ataupun saya bagi perkataan yang lain. Sorry, saya salah tiga. Okay, kita ambil the same figure that we have obtained in the calculation above. So how I interpret? So means that 72.87% of the return E setan move together positively with I bliss return. Oh, sorry. And YC versa. Okay, that's all for today. So let's go check what we have made today. So today we have learned how to calculate expected value, the variance, standard deviation of individual asset, and also we have calculated the covariance and correlation coefficient for both assets. Okay, this is notes that I have just now prepared that I will give you later in new future, and hopefully everybody can participate. The question I prepared in I discuss. So everybody in the group, I have prepared the same questions. Okay. So this is the question: what is the standard deviation? And given standard deviation for asset A and asset B is like this. Describe the risk and return and choose the best asset. So which one you choose and justify why you choose. All in a wordy answer. You don't have to make a formula or anything. Just describe, you just define the standard deviation, explain, choose, and justify your answer. Okay, please do this within now 12 p.m. till 11 p.m. 11:35 p.m. tonight. Alright, and your attendance and participation will be appraised. Okay, this is the question that you must answer in I Learn You Future. Okay, before we end our session, let's go through a bit on our past questions or past year. Question is June 2019. So this one almost the recent question. Okay, this is question 1B. Okay, I believe everybody have this answer. So we just look at this two assets, stock X and stock Y. Okay, you must try to do this by your own before you look at the answer. Okay, so you know which part that you are might be good in it, or you just simply realize that you are good and you can do it without looking at the answer. Okay, this one is stock X and this one is stock Y. So the question is very simple: expected return for each stock. So you know how to calculate the expected return or expected value, and calculate also the variance and standard deviation for each stock return. Okay, we have the answer. Of course, we have the answer, but please don't simply copy this one. You try to practice to do it yourself. This is the answer. You have the expected return, standard deviation, and the variance. It's a very simple question. And look at the question for June 2018. This one is also a question that related to our topic, which is question 1. Okay, this one is World Economic Outlook for sales of Logan Labs. Okay, this is only one asset. Okay, asset of pharmaceutical industry. So this is the answer. Okay, Logan Labs. So simply to calculate the expected return. So try to do it yourself and try to obtain these figures. Okay, it's a very big mark here. And good luck, and hopefully to see you next time. So we can proceed on our next subtopic, which is uh, all these things. All right. Okay. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.